I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to.
Today I'll be showing you how to make some fluffy white rice. So I'll be using some basmati rice. I use 3.5 cups rice, 4.5 cups water that I will be using to prep this. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Here I used a half teaspoon salt, and I used white salt. Green onion is optional. This is bland white rice, whatever you choose to call it, barefoot, naked, blanche. Here I washed this like 4 times. This is just me. I am washing until most of the starch that I can get off the rice is washed off. This is a beginner recipe for persons wanting to learn to cook and maybe not sure how to prepare their rice. So once my water started boiling, I added my rice. I could have also done this adding the rice in the cold water. I'm just showing this for beginners. Then I added a 1/4 tablespoon of unsalted butter in this. I stir to make sure everything is mixed evenly in. Once this starts to boil and the majority of the water is dried out, you want to put your flame on medium to low. I added fall to mine. This is exception to the rule. You can just cover and allow to steam. This is a beginner recipe. I could have also used chicken broth. I am just showing others how you can cook to get a very fluffy white rice. I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I do hope to see you come back to Shell's Island Flavor Cooking. Thank you for your support. Please remember to give your girl a like, and please remember to watch the videos for at least 1 to 2 minutes. Watching this video for even 2 minutes will help to increase my watch hours to even 1,000. Maybe before the year ends. I haven't even gotten to 4,000. Please give me even 2 minutes of your time. If you already know how to cook, you can share this with college students or young kids wanting to learn how to make or how to start out cooking. I served this white rice with a little curried chicken and some oven baked ribs, along with a little veggie on the side, some string beans and some carrots. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Stay tuned for another video. Please remember, likes are free. Give the video a thumbs up. See you soon.